How to add profile photo on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add profile photo on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then just click this three lines here, and now click on your username, and then all you need to do just click here and then click this one, select the profile picture, and after you click this one just select any profile and then just click save, and it will be saved. And that's how to add your profile picture on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.